Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Imagine a world of joy and happy experience. Part 2 by Angel V. Ornedo Jr. December 4, 2020. The Beatles' fame is extraordinary as they showed us how life can be lived the musical joyous ways. All the members show love and light in their own ways. John Lennon, a member of the group, wrote Imagine, that made the world singing with joy, our band a part of it, during the 70s with the song's lyrics to wit, imagine living today with no heaven nor hell but only the sky, imagine no countries, no religion, living life in peace, no killing, imagine no possessions, no greed nor hunger, but a brotherhood of men sharing the world, join us in the world, we'll live as one. Start to imagine. Our brothers and sisters from the heavens, the higher realm of light, are in their own evolution of consciousness dissimilar to our choice of difficult and ultra-hard reality. In previous transmissions of decades-old notes of love, they shared us wisdom, choice of the joyous incarnational ones. We reiterate meditation, and that is going within, focus on vibration, chakras alignment. Further, tune into our higher heart of the cosmic level chamber, aligning us with the vibration of the cosmos to the Creator's soul. At our children's very young age, we should educate them of the wonderful joys of things within, not of the outside world seeking pleasure of the flesh and our airborne ego. Follow conscious breathing techniques, the cosmic infinity breath. Our breath is creation and expansion. If there are no dark ones, there are no quarrel amongst people, no nations, thus, no killing for country, as everyone is equal. No competition, nor comparison with others, despite the presence of ego in the third vibration state, 3D. Love and respect for others are the norm. These moments and conditions lead to a deep connection with each one. Know that we are connected with one another, in reality are one. But then again, we made the choice, our intentions and physicality. With intense energies flowing, the time is ripe to remember that we have lived in various incarnations in other worlds of our connection with each other, growing with unconditional love and ease, evolved without any difficulty, fully aligned with the Creator. Light, love and truth from Angel V. Ornedo Jr.